our nation would be a much darker place without our linemen and women.
Sheriff Deputy Mark Pierce from DeSoto Parish, Louisiana, is talking about a YouTube video he posted thanking line workers for all their help to restore power after Hurricane Laura.
They're doing their job, and if I can highlight that even a little bit, not only to set the community's mind at ease, but to give credit where credit is due.
Line workers like Cody Smith, working in Tioga, Louisiana.
But as we go, we're getting the main lines on, and we're falling back and catching the smaller side streets and trying to get people on as fast as we can and safe as we can.
Thousands of line workers are in full force, dealing with unimaginable damage. But as Cleco Power President Shane Hilton explains, progress is happening.
And right now, we've got around 85% of all of our customers restored. And again, if you're out here and see what's down and see the damage, it's hard to believe we've had that much success that fast.
And as work continues, line workers want you to know they're working for you.
We're working from 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. every day, and we're doing the best we can, and we hope to get y'all on as soon as possible.